Hi and welcome to another episode of Trains At, and today we're at Kettering. Haven't been here at all. Hopefully it'll be a nice station. And let's see what comes next. Station this. I've never actually done a train spotting video here before. And yeah, it'll be quite nice.
Old though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really
I
old.
love the architecture. It's never really lost its character over all those years of, rebuilding and that. It's never really lost its character.
Looks really old.
So yeah, it does look quite 80s, but we'll forget about that part. It is the 1146 class 360 going to Corby, and that's its only stop 360 116. I have seen that one, and on the rear is 360 117. So nearly matching. That's cool.
1146. Platform 1.
A only 4 carriage 360. Right. I think it's a class 2 Meridian going from London St Pancras to Etches Park. I'm not too sure.
That was the,
but yeah, but it's and behind me is 360 116 and 360 117. Departing to go to Corby. I'm gonna keep rolling because it said there's a train approaching. I'm going past. Oh, here it is. $22009. 360 105 leaving. Should be an 810.
Platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2.
I think there was a 810 coming past, but it seemed to disappear.
Booking is not permitted at this station. This includes e-cigarettes.
Here it comes.
One's going to platform 2 now.
And the sign that's not cut, and then it should
Yeah, so you're not behind the railings.
should be like freight.
See if any stop there.
I don't really know what it is, but
Well,
all I know is apparently it doesn't stop here. So
yes. I don't know what it is. I think we'll get in the shade and have a look.
here it comes. $22022. Going quite slow. I don't know why it's passing. I think it's from London St Pancras to Etches Park. I got the first passing one was Sheffield, but that's cool. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. 153 expected. Oh my gosh. And we also have a class 222. Class 222 going to Nottingham.
And a queuing system may be in place at the station. If you have a ticket for the first 8
GC 101. says train. Class 2.
Is the 1154 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham, Market Harborough, Leicester, Loughborough, East Midlands Parkway, Beeston.
222-101. Leaving to go to Nottingham.
Next one runs as required. We'll actually say, oh, there's a platform for runs as required. That's a freighter.
When's it gonna leave? I thought the whistle blew. When is it gonna leave? I'm gonna stop the recording, and as soon as I stop the recording, it will definitely leave.
They're all freighters.
Off goes 222-101. That wasn't view, was it? Sorry.
1 minute late.
Class 222. I can't see the number yet, so. Two 0021. It just did its oh my god.
Platform 2. That's platform 2 for Corby.
It just did its windscreen, its wipers, and it.
Wipers on,
Yeah.
You're going to wave to him in a minute. Be prepared just in case he hoots at you.
Yeah.
It'll make you jump
Yeah.
and throw your phone up in the air.
For any passengers going on to either Wellingborough, Bedford, Luton or Luton Parkway, please make way
I'm
up
not.
the stairs or lift and across the platform 1. Any passengers for Corby, platform 2.
Here we go.
Just 2021's leaving. Thanks for the wave. There she goes. There she goes again. Finish the lyrics. Just do it, yeah. Off she goes. Should be an EMR Aurora passing through. I say should be. There is a EMR Connect EMR Connect right here. And an 810 Aurora. Disgusting. Horrible. And another 360 going up there, and you've got 360 118 leaving. So yeah, that's that from them. And soon there should be a you know,
12:20 coming up from the left.
an EMR Meridian or Aurora, not too sure, but 222 are going to Nottingham.
Is available on this train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 4 of the 12:22 East Midlands Railway service
222-007. Bit dirty. 222.007 should be leaving now. The amount of times this whistle has gone off, it's done it about 3 times. Here we go. Off it goes, and the window blind's gone down, or has it just been the sun? It's just the sun.
The Network Rail train due, it says. Derby RTC Network Rail. Oh, 11:52. Why is that there?
Class 222 coming in from somewhere, from Nottingham.
The next train to arrive
22013.
25 East Midlands Railway service to Corby.
Class 360 coming in. Class 360, 360, 114 and 1114, and then 360 something else, and 22013 is leaving. Don't think I got a wave. Off it goes, and that is the end of this episode of Train Sat at Kettering, and we'll see you next time. It's blimmin' hot here.